Hello, parents. My name is Yvetta Ingram, and I teach 6th and 7th grade language arts. And I'm going to do this recording just to give you guys an idea as to how to navigate the class and look for your students' grades and kind of give you a picture or snapshot of what the students do when they log into the class each day. So I have all my students, whether they're digital or they are in class, to log into Zoom, where you are right now, but it's not a recording, it's live. And I usually share my screen, as I'm going to do now, and the students will see the agenda for the day usually. So I usually have the students go to the course right here, which is their modules. This is my home page. And I'm just using my first period as an example. And we click on the modules each day in class. And we typically go over either writing assignments. We just started our reading assignments so that students can start familiarizing themselves with the content. So right here, like for the agenda for the day for September 23rd, we always start out with, a basic homepage right here, the same instructions that they're quietly waiting to see what the day will bring. And then usually I have the day's agenda of what we'll cover within the hour and 40 minutes. And it's a combination of, like I said before, we just started doing some writing or reading assignments for the virtual school coursework. So pretty much everything is right here in Canvas. So if you haven't logged into or seen what your students do, when they go to their class link, they will see these various tabs right here. This is the teacher tab. And then they will click on their Canvas tab and it'll take them to all of their courses. They'll log into their language arts class, and here we'll go through the day's agenda. Some other things that you should be privy to is if you're interested in knowing what your kids' grades are, you actually need to go through your parent portal. And hopefully you have logged into Parent Portal and you have your username and password, so then you can go ahead and access what their grades are in focus. So although you may look at the grades on Canvas, that actually isn't the official grade book for Leon County Public Schools. That's where we house their assignments, and the percentages are not accurate in Canvas. And I don't really know how to change the percentages. So we're required though to have students' grades in the gradebook in their portal, or focus rather, link. So you definitely need to go here to see where your if the assignments are missing, what their percentages are, etc. And if you are interested in contacting me, the best means of contact would be to email me here. So like I have my email open right here. However, because I actually teach all day, I don't have any breaks during the day. So if you do send me an email, I may be able to see it during lunch. I may be able after school. However, if you email me during the class, I will not see it because I don't check emails while I am teaching. So the students, so far we have been making it work with considering the circumstances, and just trying to navigate using our Canvas, trying to incorporate some different techniques, whether it be focusing techniques. I do a lot of modeling in my class. Oh, I forgot to give you my email. My email address is my last name, Ingram Y at Leon, in my first initial, Ingram Y at leonschools.net. That'll be the best way to contact or reach out to me. If you do call the school, they will not patch you through during school hours. However, I am here in the mornings, usually by 8 o'clock. So if you would like to phone me, you can phone me from like 8 to 8:45. I do have bus duties on twice a week. So if you would like to have a call, you could call me in the morning after school and have the person at the front desk patch you through so that we can have a conversation if that's best to speak about your child's performance in my class. So hopefully I did answer or give you a preview of what we kind of do today in the class on a daily basis. Like I said, I try and mix it up. Everything that we do is in Canvas. So if a student misses a day, or maybe they were missing physically, or maybe they kind of checked out, you can always go into Canvas and look and see what we did for the day. And you can check to make sure with your child that they have completed, excuse me, these assignments. So thank you so very much for looking at the video that I made in my Zoom account. And hopefully I did answer most of your questions. And if not, feel free to reach out to me either via email, or like I said, you can give me a call. I'm usually at the school by 8 o'clock every day, from 8 to 8:45, unless I have bus duty. All right, well, thank you so much for your time. And I look forward to working with you and your child and helping them through their 6th grade or 7th grade school year. Thanks.